In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your WhatsApp status on Facebook Story. You can simply share a story on both WhatsApp and Facebook at the same time. To do this, simply open up your WhatsApp. On the status page, let's say you already have a shared status, but you would like to also share it on Facebook Story. Just tap on these three lines right here. Then select Share to Facebook. It will directly take you to this page right here. Click on Share Now and it will get shared successfully. You can also share to Facebook group. On the three lines, tap on Share. Then slide to Facebook. You will see the option of group. Tap on it and your WhatsApp status will get shared into your Facebook group. That's how easy it is to share WhatsApp status to Facebook groups and stories. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.